See? 2-1. I'm Junior and you guys are in North is Up today. And today we went on a hike in Vail, Arizona. We saw snake skin, a bone, and another bone.
And right now there's a snake.
I just spotted
sitting here.
It's sitting here. Chilling, playing Fortnite.
Dude, he looks dead.
I thought he was a part of the cactus, like the dead cactus.
Until you saw like the diamond person.
I thought he was a dead cactus.
Because it might be hit scam. There we go.
Yeah, it might be. Yeah, that looks like fresh skin, doesn't it?
Yeah, this is. Yeah, he probably just like laying there, like taking a nap or something.
Oh, shit. Baby girl, get that.
He's like sticking his tongue out.
Yeah.
Oh, that's his head right there.
Now he knows that we've seen him.
Dang it.
What are you guys doing?